Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today just now I got one query about how to create stitching wires in Cadstar. This is the first video which I am going to make in Cadstar, and I am planning to make one by one in Cadstar. And any doubt is there in Cadstar or Allegro or pads, please comment me. I will make that video immediately and I will post it that one. Okay, and meanwhile I am going to teach you pads also, like whatever I am making content. If anything else you want to learn, please let me know. Okay, so for this is this is actually Cadstar layout. This is Cadstar. You can see this is, you can Cadstar design editor, and I am telling you how to create stitching wires. Okay, how in this Cadstar. So for this, suppose this is simple, I have taken nothing, it is not power, nothing, it is there simple. I have taken this, or I am showing you how I will make stitch wire here. Okay, so this is copper. See, add poly, this is shape is there. Okay, add polygon. Here you can make it shape default. And this is copper, you need to select, and here you have to select copper to copper 8, and here make it top electrical, give okay. Okay, just make a shape here. This is finish. This is in top electrical. Now this is, you can see here, if I am selecting this shape and go to item properties, here you see signal name is not there. So what you have to do, you have to connect it to this net. This copper shape should connect to this net. So for that, what we need to do is we have to go for add connection. Okay, this, select this one and just click it here. Now you just see this copper is now connected to this net. Okay, see here, this is data 3, it is connected. Data 3 is a signal, we should not pour copper for data 3, but just for showing I am, for example, simply I am given here copper should pour only in voltage or current, high voltage nets only. Okay, so now in top I have already connected. Now this is the time, this is now this time. Now I'm going to make it in bottom electrical. Select here. See, this also we have connected. Okay, now just make it bottom electrical. Okay, give okay. Now this net is now connected to top electrical and bottom electrical both. Okay, so now for stitching wires you need to go to PRE editor, tools, PRE editor. Okay, okay, it is opening now. Okay, so just, this is manual route, just route it here, double click bottom electrical, okay. Now control C, control V, it should, see, this wire should come inside the copper. If we are going to make it here, here it won't come. Okay, it should come inside copper. Now like this you make it. See, make it correct, like don't like this you make unroot. See, like this it is come. This one, why it is moving, just you make control T, you can see the option will come here. Errors are now online DC pusher is there not here. You need to unclick this one, enable pusher, or now see, now it won't come, it won't move here and there. This will be the setting. So this simply just I have shown you how to make stitch via, okay. And complete routing and all I'll make one video. I'll make step by step video for you all. So hope it will be helpful. Now I'll need to exit this one. Yes, okay. Yes, if you remove this net color, highlight net, okay. So now you can see here is the stitch wire. Make it proper. I have not made it proper, but you need to clean, make it clean, like it should be in exact position like this. Manually only you need to do. Here grid is 5 10, you need to make it G space 5, grid 5 you should make. Now you can do like this. So this is how you can make stitching via, okay. So thank you so much for watching. Hope this will be helpful for you. And any other question is there, please comment and let me know. I will make videos for this also, okay. And soon I am going to make video in Cadstar as per your comment, or I am making it one by one. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.